As the world's largest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia has long been at the forefront of the global energy industry. And now, with Jubail's $11 billion expansion project too, the country is poised to cement its status as a major player in the petrochemical sector as well. Located on the eastern coast of the kingdom, the Jubail industrial city is home to some of the largest petrochemical facilities in the world. And with the expansion project currently underway, these facilities are set to become even bigger and more advanced. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Jubail's $11 billion expansion project too, which is set to become the biggest project in Saudi Arabia's history. From the project's objectives and scope, to its expected impact on the country's economy and energy sector, we'll explore all the key aspects of this groundbreaking initiative. So sit back and join us as we delve into one of the most ambitious industrial projects of our time. Saudi Aramco and TotalEnergies have announced plans to invest $11 billion in a world-scale petrochemical facility in Jubail, on Saudi Arabia's eastern coast. The Amiral complex will be owned and operated by the existing Saudi Aramco TotalEnergies refining and petrochemical company, SATORP, refinery and will convert internally produced refinery off-gases and naphtha, as well as ethane and natural gasoline supplied by Aramco, into higher-value chemicals. The complex will include a mixed-feed cracker capable of producing 1.65 million tons per annum of ethylene, 2 polyethylene units, a butadiene extraction unit, and other associated derivatives units. The investment is expected to create 7,000 local direct and indirect jobs. The complex will provide feedstock to other petrochemicals and specialty chemical plants, which will be built, owned, and operated by other downstream investors. The investment decision is subject to customary closing conditions and approvals. The SATORP complex was established in 2008 as the first joint venture between Saudi Aramco and TotalEnergies. Saudi Aramco and TotalEnergies have come to an agreement to jointly invest $11 billion, AED 40.37 billion, in the construction of a world-scale petrochemical facility in Jubail, located on the eastern coast of Saudi Arabia. The facility, named Amiral, will be owned, operated, and integrated with the existing Saudi Aramco TotalEnergies refining and petrochemical company, SATORP, refinery at the same location. Construction is set to begin in early 2023, and the complex is expected to commence commercial operations in 2027. Aramco and TotalEnergies will fund $4 billion of the total investment through equity, with Aramco holding a 62.5% stake and TotalEnergies holding the remaining 37.5%. The facility will enable SATORP to produce higher-value chemicals by converting internally produced refinery off-gases and naphtha, along with ethane and natural gasoline supplied by Aramco, thereby supporting Aramco's liquids-to-chemicals strategy. The complex will consist of a mixed-feed cracker with a capacity of producing 1.65 million tons per year of ethylene, which will be integrated with a refinery, the first of its kind in the region. Additionally, the facility will have 2 advanced polyethylene units that utilize advanced dual-loop technology, a butadiene extraction unit, and other associated derivatives units. According to the CEO of Saudi Aramco, Amin Nasser, the new petrochemical project in Jubail represents an important opportunity to showcase advanced liquids-to-chemicals technologies that support the circular economy, and to expand the value chain by producing high-quality chemicals more efficiently than ever before. Patrick Pouyanné, chairman and CEO of TotalEnergies, expressed his excitement at launching this expansion project and building on the successful development of SATORP, the largest and most efficient refining and petrochemicals platform in the world, which strengthens the already exemplary relationship between the two companies. The new complex will also support the establishment of key manufacturing industries such as carbon fibers, lubes, drilling fluids, detergents, food additives, automotive parts, and tires, by providing feedstock to other petrochemicals and specialty chemical plants located in the Jubail industrial area. This downstream investment by other investors is expected to be around $4 billion. The Saudi government has extensively employed its vast oil resources to enhance municipal and industrial development over the past 40 years. This effort has been highlighted by two significant urban and industrial projects, one of which is located in Jubail. Planning initiatives have been made to provide funding and manage the community's industrial development and physical growth. To achieve these planning objectives, an independent planning commission known as the Royal Commission for Jubail was established by the Saudi government. This commission has taken on the responsibility of designing, building, and managing large-scale industrial cities. The system of commissions and higher committees has been followed and is still in practice in the planning of seaports, airports, medical cities, universities, and residential neighborhoods. In Jubail City, Saudi Arabia, primary industries have produced 7% of the world's petrochemicals, contributed 11.5% of the kingdom's gross domestic product, and created 85% of the kingdom's exports, excluding oil. The annual growth rate is sustained at 6%. Therefore, Jubail has attracted over 50% of the kingdom's total foreign investment, according to the 2014 annual report of the Royal Commission Jubail and Yanbu. 87% of Saudi investment has been made in primary industries, with about 613 billion Saudi riyals invested, of which 68% was invested in Jubail City. Jubail's primary industry companies consist of 25 companies. Once completed, the Satorp facility is expected to generate 7,000 employment opportunities for locals, both directly and indirectly. The decision to invest is subject to standard approval processes and closing conditions. Satorp, the first collaborative effort between the two energy firms, was founded in 2008 to build a petrochemical and refining facility in Jubail 2 industrial city. The refinery, which began operations in 2014 with a capacity of 400,000 barrels per day, BPD, of crude oil, has now grown to 460,000 BPD and is widely regarded as one of the world's most productive refineries. The Jubail Expansion Project 2 is a game-changing development for the Saudi Arabian economy and the global petrochemicals industry. This $11 billion investment by Saudi Aramco and Total Energies represents a significant milestone in the long-standing partnership between the two companies. The project will create thousands of jobs and support the establishment of key manufacturing industries, such as automotive parts, tires, and food additives. The use of cutting-edge liquids-to-chemicals technologies that support the circular economy will also play a crucial role in advancing Aramco's liquids-to-chemicals strategy. As the project moves forward, we can expect to see significant progress in the region's economic development and the petrochemicals industry's growth. If you enjoyed learning about the Jubail Expansion Project 2 and want to stay updated on the latest news and developments in the industry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content soon.